This year has had so many challenges, and each one of us have experienced those challenges in unique ways. As we continue to work toward a new normal, we acknowledge that these challenges have and are impacting how we think, feel, act, make choices, and relate to others. Emotional, psychological, and social well-being exist on a continuum, from debilitating to thriving, and each of us can exist somewhere along that continuum at any time. Over the past year, each of us have moved up and down that continuum as we've managed the unique challenges that we faced. Over the coming weeks, we're going to be sharing some practical tools to help us navigate the current and lingering effects of this unique time and keep us or move us toward thriving. This week, I'm sharing a particular tool that hits close to home to me because I have become a new mom in 2020. The challenges of becoming a first-time parent have been intensified by the isolation and uncertainty of the COVID world. My normal, like all of us, has totally been turned on its head. At times, it seemed like I'm looking through my life through a foggy windshield, feeling a bit aimless as I'm struggling through the new and strange routines of COVID and parenting. I imagine I'm not the only one who has felt this sense of aimlessness in the waiting of normalcy. One recommendation to combat this sense of dull focus is doing activities that make us feel most like ourselves, the things that get us focused, proud, energized, and engaged. With my normal being totally disrupted by COVID and learning to be a mom, I've been finding it hard to engage in the things that used to make me feel like me. I wonder if anyone else can relate. So this week, we're going to be challenging you to intentionally think of when you feel most engaged, focused, and energized. They can be small things like listening to a certain genre of music, going for a walk, or cooking for your family. I'll share mine with you. Walking or running outside, reading a novel, and slowly drinking 1 cup of coffee all morning long. Let's hear from some others what activities make them feel most like them.
Kids always the best medicine to keep your sanity.
Going to the casino.
I like to go outdoors, be nature, adventure, and do a lot of ninja stuff, be parkour, climb trees, hang upside down.
So the things that make me feel most like me is hanging out with my friends camping and my grandkids.
I love playing the piano, hanging out with good friends, and taking on a challenge.
I like being home with my son and spending time with family.
Some of the things I like to do outside of work is riding quads, hanging out with my son, and playing baseball, and going fishing, hunting.
I like to play games, go to the gym, and hang out with my family most of the time. That just makes me feel like myself.
Now you've heard some ideas, but we want to know what works for you. As we work to regain some sense of normalcy in our lives, we want to be challenging you to spend time doing the things that make you feel most like yourself. We look forward to sharing more tools in the coming weeks to help us thrive.